Hi students, so now you all are entered to the 8th class. So this year onward, your science, it is divided like a two branches. Up to 7th class, you learn about science as a one subject you prepare. But now, from 8th class onwards, that science, it is a branches of like a two branches will divide. One is called PS, it's physical science, and another one is NS, natural science or biology. Okay, now we are going to be learning about biology. It's one of the branch in science. Okay, so I have to introduce you what is the meaning of biology. Definitely, I should give information about the what means of biology. Okay, that means here biology. It is one of the branch. The word biology it is derived from Latin language from the two words of bios and logos. The word biology it is originated from the Latin language. The word from the two words bios and logos. Okay, the meaning of the word bio. The meaning of the word bio is called life, and logos means study. Bio means life. Okay, bio means life, and logos means study. It means biology. That means study about a living things. Study about a which have a life. Study about which have a life. It is called biology. So as well as when you come into the PS, physical science, it will be two parts again. The two parts are in there is a physical topics are some presented and chemical topics are also presented. That means in 7th class you learn about the motions, how the means about cars are passing in one way, that type of motions are uniform motion, non-uniform motion, and reticulate motion, recurrent motion, current motion, rotatory motion. Is the physical changes and the state of the objects, solids, liquids, okay, gases. These are some type. Okay, also you learned about the galaxies, okay, solar system, how planets are rotating. These type of the topics are you may learn in the physical science, in physics topics, and also about gravitational force also you can learn. And the physical science, one of the branch is physics, and the one is chemistry. Chemistry you can learn about the chemical reaction. How chemicals are changed state, a reaction with the different temperatures. If you mix another chemical to the one chemical, what type of changes will come? This type of the all topics are you make a learn in the chemistry. So, but now we are going to be learn about biology. We are going to learn about biology. I said to you, the means of the word biology it is derived from the Latin language from the bio and logos. The two words are bios and logos. Bio means life and logos means study. To study about a living beings, to study about a living things is called biology, which have a life. To study about our life, to study about the plants life, to study about other animals life, to study about some type of the bacteria and virus, these type of the some type of organism, some type of the microorganism. This all you can learn in this branch of the biology. Okay. So now, so biology, this is we have some idea Why I am giving to you this evening? Because now you entered to the 8th class. 8th class onwards, that is a branch is introduced to you the biology. Okay, that is branch introduced to the biology. Okay, about non-living things and some chemical reaction we can learn in physics and chemistry. But about all living things and diseases, how it spread, how it's cured, how will our body changes, okay, which type of change occurs, how the body systems are working, okay, what type of reactions happens in our body, what type of metabolism is there. These types of all topics are you make a learn in this biology. So that's the thing by you and go to study about the living things. It's called biology center. Understand? So now we are going to be teach or we are going to discuss about one first lesson from the 8th class biology. That is a lesson is called first lesson is called what is science? First lesson is called what is science? What is science? What is science? As we may thought, science is our subject. What is exactly our subject? Okay, now we know we are getting plenty of changes in our life. In our life, we are getting plenty of changes. I'm communicating with you within a mobile phone. Now we have an online class are going on. It is some of the person is invented or discovered. It's one of the invention or discovery which is done by one person who knows well about the science. Yes, and also when I switch on the fan, so the fan is also rotates. How do you know? This is about one of the person who know well about the science. They have invented and they discovered one fan. That's why we are getting the feeling very free, very happily because of we are getting a glowing air. So these type of the all invents we are getting only by which of the persons are well known about the science. They can create wonders or they can discover some new things. Those things can help to us to getting a free and luxury life. Not only this. Now the problem which is affected in our society in our present problem is corona. The coronavirus that should be cleared by taking only one vaccine, like one medicine we should need. The medicine also is going to be created by, it's going to be created, sorry. Now the medicine also is going to be created by the person who know well about the science. So by those inventions and both those persons discoveries we are getting one of the good life. We are getting one of the best life also. So to getting these all aspects that is the most helping thing to us science. We cannot explain that is in a one or two words the information about the science. It's a plenty of information we have. We have plenty of information about the science. So now that is a small information we are going to discuss in this class. Okay, so the person who can study about the science, I can read also, I can study also. You can read or you can also study. Can you create any wonders? Yeah, of course, it may chances if you have enough knowledge to create a wonder. But those persons we are calling a specific name. That name is called scientist. The name is called scientist. Are you a scientist? Of course, you may become in a future scientist. Okay? Am I a scientist? Of course, I may become. Because if you can get a proper information, if you get a full information, if you can create a new wonder things which is based on science, those persons are scientists. Okay? The one other person, some other, a few doctors are trying to discover a medicine for the corona. They are the scientists. Yes, some other person discover the mobile phone. They are the scientists. new update versions or 3G or 4G, 5G, some type of versions. It is by some scientist discoveries. We have plenty of it. We have a more technology nowadays. We have more technology. The technology is also going to be uploading. The technological objects also can be created by some other scientists. So without a science, we cannot do, we cannot create anything. So that is an importance of the science. Not only just about the science can tell you, it will give an extra information also. Generally we will get some doubts, but the doubts cannot be rectified ourselves. What is the reason? Because we didn't get any full information about that. For example, now it's coming rain. Yes, you can see why the rain is coming now. Why it's going to be stopped? Why it's coming that one? Can you find out the reason? This type of the question also will get an answer based on the science. And if you can see that some of the plants are in our surroundings, the plants are green color. Whenever the plant leaves are turned to be yellow in color, they may fall down. What is the reason? Why those are shut down? Shut down means it's a release from the plant. It may fall down. The shut down. Some of the leaves which are turned to be yellow in color, they may fall down. They shut down from the plant. What is the reason? Why green plants are not fall down? And wherever the place your mother or you kept the seed, the ants can able to find out the seed and they can go and taste it. How it knows where the lady kept that? And you know one thing, for example, the pickles the pickles can be stored in a long days, like a 2 or 3 months we can store them. But if for some curries or some what cannot be stored in long days, the next day it will be spoiled. What is the reason behind that? Okay, these type of the plenty of the doubts we have in our mind. Why? When you switch on the fan rotates. If you switch on the fan stops working. What is the reason behind that? Okay, you are using a remote for change the TV channels. Okay, you sat here and the TV is in front of you. When you press the number, why the channel change? Okay, why I'm able to talk with my friend when he is staying in another place also. The mobile phone, I'm talking with a mobile phone. Okay, he is a person not beside me. He may far to me. He may maybe 20 kilometers distance or 5 kilometers or maybe 500 kilometers distance. But even though I can communicate with the person, how it will be chance? How it is possible? So these type of impossible things can be made it possible by scientific inventions. These type of impossible things also can be make it possible by scientific things, which is created by scientists. Which is created by scientists. We know plenty of scientists are in our life. We know plenty of scientists are about in our life. Yes, like coming to be our India. Okay, Dr. Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. He is one of the great scientists. He is a missile man of India. Okay, like maybe like Isaac Newton, Einstein, Albert Einstein, Alexander Fleming, Jonas Salk. Okay, and plenty of Galileo. If you can start the scientist in telling that one, that day is going completely with the scientist only. For that, just explain some type of news only. Okay, no, all scientists can be created everything about it. For example, I can teach the science and biology, and another teacher can teach the social, and another teacher can teach the English. Like we have some different courses. As well as scientists also, based on the interest, they selected a field, based on the interested, they select a field, based on the field, they can create wonders, which is come to giving a good leading life. Those type of the courses are called scientists. Those are called scientists. So the scientists are very helpful to us. They are very helpful to us. Okay, so now the lesson is what is science? Just the information I will tell you. Science is a tool for searching the truth of the nature. Science is a tool science is a tool for searching the truth of the nature. That means the nature which have some wonders are there. In a nature, there are plenty of wonders. Plenty of wonders. Rain, food is falling. How scientists are falling on land or remaining planets are. How the plants can prepare their food. How we can talk. Some nature water changes are occurred. That changes all can be identified by science. So that's I said that one. Science is the tool for. Tool means the tool is one of the object or one of the instrument which is help to me to know something, or to invent something, or to create something, or to rectify something. That is the tool. So the as well as science is also one of the tool which is help to be to find the secret of the nature. Help to find out the secret of the nature. So that is an importance of the science. Okay, the primary thinking is the questioning for the science. The questioning is one of the most important things for science. If you can make any question in your mind, if you can try until getting an answer, you will be a scientist. I have a question in my mind. That means how I can. It's my question. If I try to think in my mind and if I get answer, I am also not a scientist. I am also not a scientist. Like everybody will become a scientist. The primary thinking is questioning. The most important primary thinking is questioning. And science is helping for the giving an experimental knowledge. Science is helping for giving experimental knowledge. It's not. Science cannot tell that one without, for example, without any information, without any proof. Okay. So, for example, where is your friend? If I ask a question, you may say he may somewhere, he may in the ground, he may in another classroom. You may guess that is only that, but not exact answer. But if I can say, if I ask where is your friend, you may go on stage. Yeah, your friend is in the 9th classroom. If you are saying that is by proof, so that type of proof can give you science by experiments. So everything can be get by experiment. Everything can be get by experiment. Experiment is the one of the most important thing to our. Without experiment, we cannot get any information. Without experiment, we cannot get a proper information. You cannot get a proof also. Okay? So that is about science. Understand? So actually, science. Okay, I will tell you about the name science. The word science also, it is also not belongs to, it also belongs to that Latin language. I am saying that one Latin language and also Greek language. I will get you the two words. Latin language and Greek language. These are some type of the languages. Okay, like how we have English, Telugu, Hindi, like that also. Latin language and Greek language, some type of language are the most of science are followed in the previous stage on ancient period onwards. So I am saying that one. The word science is originated or derived from from the language of Latin. The word science is derived from the Latin language. From the word of scientia. From the word of scientia. Actually, the word science is derived from the word of the scientia from the Latin language. Remember, it's very, very important thing. The word science is derived from the word of the scientia, which is from the Latin language. Based on that, we call it science. Actually, in a Latin language, the meaning of the word science is called knowledge. Understand? So, the meaning of the word science here, it is in a Greek language, the meaning of the word is called knowledge. So, So you can understand the science is helping for giving a knowledge. It's helping giving a knowledge. So that's why the few years back in ancient Iran world, they have discovered that they have given the name of the science because of the means of the word knowledge. That means which is help to giving a knowledge about any of the aspects. Which is the word can help to find out the truth of the nature. If you don't have any knowledge, you can't get any proper development. If you would like to develop, you should get some knowledge. So it is an information about the knowledge. So that's why maybe based on the reason they have selected a name, the word science they selected. Based on we call it nowadays, it's called science. It's not science. The person who can study about the science, those are called scientists. Who can research, who can experiment about the science. That's called scientist. Okay, so that now we can know, we're trying to know about some type of the science. Okay, some type of the science. Okay, so some scientists I will tell you that one names are, for example, like the ecologist. Yes, some scientist names. Ecologist. And geologist, ecologist, geologist, and nuclear physicist, and chemist, and climatologist, and astrophysicist. Okay, these are some type of scientists. For example, to know about. Okay, geologist, ecologist, geologist, nuclear physicist, chemist, climatologist, astrophysicist, and also physicist and geneticist, and also geneticist, ecologist, geologist, nuclear physicist, chemist, climatologist, astrophysicist, physicist, geneticist. These are some type of scientists. I am not telling about all scientists. They are some type of scientists. What are their duties? Now we are going to learn what are their duties. What are their duties? For example, ecologist. Okay, ecologist, which is the word is from the our ecology, environment. About our environment. Ecologist can study about our environment. That means he can study about the terrestrial behavior of the earth. Ecologist can study about the terrestrial behavior of the earth and also about the blue wars. That means which are the environment, which are some type of the some type of the animals are going to be disappear. Nowadays the animals count is going to be decreased. About the environment, the percentage of the oxygen, the percentage of carbon dioxide, the percentage of nitrogen, how those are increasing and decreasing. The total terrestrial behavior of Earth can be studied by the scientists of the ecologists. Terrestrial behavior, external behavior of the Earth. Okay. Next one about the geologist. Next about the geologist. The geologist is also a study about the deep internal structure of the Earth. You can study about the deep inner structure of the Earth. That means which are the changes that occurs inside of the Earth. About any minerals. Okay, some type of the minerals, like some type of the metals also, and petroleum products. Petroleum products, how metals are. and they can find out and they can give an information also about an earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. This type of information also can be get by the scientist of geology. If it is not there, we cannot find out how that is which type of thing like petrol products are, gas products are where it is available. We don't get any information, and we can get any minerals information, and we can get any, for example, when our earthquakes will come and which place will be affected, and when a volcanic eruption will be born, blasting also. That type of information we can't get. The scientists of ecologist and geologist they both have some relation, but not exactly same. They both can study about Earth. Some other person can study terrestrial behavior, external behavior object. Some other person can study internal behavior object. Okay, so these are ecologists and geologists. Okay, and about next one is called nucleophysicist. And about it, nucleophysicist. Nucleophysicist can be study about how the different planets are. Okay, angular momentum of the Earth. Then, for example, about a nuclear change, how it happens in a space, they can get information. And the chemist is one of the person which is can be helped to find out can find out that how the chemicals can react with different temperatures. Without a chemist, we cannot get any medicines. Some type of medicine, which may be fertilizers or which will be medicine to us, or for example, one of the scientists have discovered one medicine. The medicine can be created by one of the chemists. So the chemist can be find out how the temperature how the chemicals can react with different temperatures. These are also one of the scientists. And climatologist, he can be tell about the climate. Now we get that like 3 days about the news channels also giving information about in coming 3 days we have a heavy cyclone. In coming 3 days we have a heavy cyclone. So no one person should come out because of too much of heavy winds also will come. Which is can be given by climatologist. Which is can be given by climatologist. Okay, the climatologist can be giving information about how climate will be changes. And climatic information that everything can be gathered by the climatologist. And the next one is astrophysics. Astrophysics. Okay, astrophysics can be we can find out the angular movement how the planets are rotating. You know, some earthquakes. When we're getting about a eclipse, solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, some type of changes are occurring. So these type of eclipses are coming in 30 years at one time we can see, or 75 years at one time we can see. That information they are giving. That means there is the information also can be given by astrophysicists. They can be find out the astronauts about the who are into the space, those are called astronauts. So astrophysics about the space information, how the planets are rotating, galaxies, how they gather, how they can form. This information can be given by the astrophysicists. Understand? And next one is the physicist. He can find out the superconductivity of missions. He can find out the superconductivity. He can find out the superconductivity of missions. How for example, you can see like in some type of the machineries, how they are working, their working capacity, their manufacturing, this type of to discover new things. This type of information we can be gathered by the physicists, the superconductivity of these missions we can find out. And next one, geneticist. It's one of the new word to you. Geneticist, you can be tell about the genes. Genes means our parental genes. For example, me is also similar information with my parents. You also one of similar information, a similar characters with your parents. Your parents have similar characters with their parents. So our generation are passing one human being to another human being, another human being to another human being. So that means some other characters can be passing from the one to another person. It's called genes. The characters can be find out the passing of characters from one to another person by genes only. So how those are? Not only the characters are, sometimes the disease also passing from previous generation to another generation. So this is called genetic information. This type of the genetic information can be found out how those are. This type of information can be gathered by the geneticists. So these are some type of the scientists are which are helpful to some new things or to create some wonders. This all information. So that reason, so we have gathered some information in this lesson. In the what is science in this lesson, we can discuss about this some type of science. Okay. In coming class, in next class, I shall explain about the information about the remaining topics. Okay. I hope you understand well. Thank you.